can be a bit tricky to find the best processor blender with a wide range of options. If you're looking for the best food processor blender combo, you might consider checking out this best rated food processor blender combo. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart PowerBlend Duet Blender Food Processor. This is a great product. It has a really nice touchpad control here, so you can wipe it clean really easily. Has a large on and off button. It has 7 speeds, which include puree, stir, chop, mix, and stir, and also ice crush, which can make really snow out of ice cubes, and food processing. The glass blender jar is 56 ounces. It also has a removable pour-through lid here, so you can actually add ingredients, like if you're going to add a liquid to something that you're processing, that you're blending, sorry. This removes, but it also goes on in multiple directions, so you can put it on in whether you're right or left-handed in multiple directions here. So we're going to remove the blender and put on the 3-cup food processor attachment. This has a stainless steel chopping blade. It also, when you take the chopping blade out, you can use the reversible slicing or shredding disc. On one side it's slicing, on the other side it's shredding. The other thing that's really great is that with the food processor function, you can chop herbs or nuts, you can make salsa, you can make vinaigrette. It's really handy. And it also has a removable feed tube, which you would use when slicing and shredding. And like I mentioned, you use the food processor button when you're using the attachment. And it actually steps down the motor in the machine so that you're processing at a much lower speed, so you have better control over the food that you're making. So there you have it. It's the 600-watt PowerBlend Duet Blender Food Processor by Cuisinart.
And these are editor rating for this product.